Ecoturf has revolutionized the way staple installation is done with the Staple-Ease Bio Pro Driver, the only commercial-grade biodegradable staking installation tool. Its full containment drive system reduces stake breakage, and you save time and money by installing staples every 3 to 5 seconds. That means a 50% lower cost of labor at your bottom line. Unmatched for its remarkable durability, the Staple-Ease Bio Pro Driver works season after season under any ground conditions, from soft to ultra-hard without jamming. You can always count on getting a quality installation, and using Ecoduty Biodegradable Stakes instead of steel creates a safer job site. Using the Bio Pro Driver, your installers remain upright, so they're less fatigued and much more productive, and you'll have fewer workers' compensation claims. With easily replaceable attachments for various applications and a staple bag with belt that holds up to 50 of our biodegradable stakes, installation is no longer a pain. Staple-Ease Bio Pro Driver is made entirely in the USA, and we back it with our 1-year Ecoturf warranty. Ecoturf, providing American-made products to benefit the green industry.